Hello guys, today I'm going to share the most ultimate tool I have created. This is for the placement of reinforcement steel in rebar cover. I have already created a view for the beam selection and column selection, so it will complete an hours of our times within a minute. I will have to give two input, beams and column. Later I am going to add the slab, and because this is placing almost 17 or 18 7 or 800 member at a time, that is why it takes time. So I'm gonna make it simplify. I have taken almost a month to develop this, several of failures, several of retests, finally achieved at least a platform. And run. Our current conventional way is select a rebar cover and defining rebar by for now, and we have to select the surfaces and path flow for the corner, one corner for the path flow. So it is taking a lot of time, but now I just need to select a member and all steel will be placed accordingly, the type of member. Later I am gonna develop it till high end. We will have the hook blend for the linkage, even the distribution tool, the anchor bar. Yeah. Test run for the slab improvement. Just let me know what you think about this.